Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to find Celsius from Kelvin. The Kelvin scale is an absolute temperature scale, meaning 0 Kelvin represents absolute zero, where all molecular motion ceases. The Celsius scale, however, is a relative scale, with 0 degrees Celsius defined by the freezing point of water. Understanding this difference is key to accurate temperature conversions. We'll walk through the simple formula to convert Kelvin to Celsius, ensuring you can easily perform this calculation. The conversion from Kelvin to Celsius is quite simple, requiring just one basic subtraction. The formula you'll use is Celsius equals Kelvin minus 273, 15. This constant, 273, 15, is crucial because it represents the difference between the two scales' 0 points. Absolute zero, which is 0 Kelvin, is equivalent to negative 273, 15 degrees Celsius. By applying this straightforward subtraction, you can accurately convert any Kelvin temperature to its Celsius equivalent. Let's put the formula into practice with an example. Suppose you have a temperature of 300 Kelvin and want to convert it to Celsius. You simply take 300 and subtract 273, 15 from it. So, 300 minus 273. 15 equals 26, 85. Therefore, 300 Kelvin is equivalent to 26, 85 degrees Celsius. This demonstrates how quickly and easily you can perform this conversion using the simple subtraction step. The reason this conversion is so straightforward lies in how the Kelvin and Celsius scales are constructed. Both scales use the same size for their degree increments. This means that a change of 1 Kelvin is exactly equal to a change of 1 degree Celsius. The only difference between them is their 0 points. By accounting for this offset of 273, 15, you directly translate a temperature from one scale to the other, making it the only method needed for accurate conversion.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.